Nestled amidst the serene embrace of Whidbey Island, a family's dream of a harmonious retreat took shape. The land, a treasured heirloom passed through generations, was a canvas of rural charm, dotted with weathered barns, lush meadows, and a tranquil fishing pond. Amidst this idyllic setting, the family sought a home that would not only be a sanctuary but also a testament to their deep-rooted connection to the island. The architects, mwworks, envisioned a home that would seamlessly blend into the natural landscape, paying homage to the agricultural heritage of the site. The design was a delicate balance between modern comfort and rustic charm, reflecting the family's desire for a space that was both inviting and durable. From the valley, the house appeared modest and unassuming, a deliberate choice to respect the pastoral beauty of the surrounding farmland. The structure, a series of interconnected volumes, was carefully woven through a grove of towering Douglas fir trees, creating a sense of intimacy and seclusion. A courtyard, paved with local basalt stone, served as the heart of the home, connecting the various spaces while offering privacy and tranquility. The approach to the house was a journey through a dense canopy of evergreens, culminating in a breathtaking vista of the courtyard and the sweeping meadow beyond. The architects took great care to preserve the existing trees, ensuring that the construction process minimized any disruption to the natural environment. Even the felled timber was repurposed for various uses on the farm, from fencing to firewood. Inside, the home was a celebration of natural materials and handcrafted details. The walls were adorned with solid cedar slabs, meticulously carved by the family patriarch decades ago. These pieces served as a tangible connection to the family's history, reminding the occupants of their roots. The master bedroom door, a blank canvas of cedar, was designed as a future project for the owner, a testament to the enduring spirit of craftsmanship. The overall aesthetic of the home was warm and inviting, with a palette of weathered woods, concrete, stone, and black steel accents. The large windows offered panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, blurring the lines between indoors and out. The house was a place where the family could relax, entertain, and reconnect with nature. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the meadow, the Whidbey Island farm retreat became a beacon of peace and tranquility. It was a testament to the power of thoughtful design and the enduring spirit of family. The home was more than just a structure. It was a living embodiment of the family's love for the land, their respect for tradition, and their unwavering commitment to creating a lasting legacy. And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the Whidbey Island farm retreat, a stunning project by mwworks. From its harmonious integration with the natural landscape to its thoughtful design and rich history, this home is a true testament to the beauty of sustainable living. If you're inspired by this architectural gem and want to see more incredible projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Stay tuned for more amazing content coming your way. Thanks for watching.